check out this Hellcat makeover. A lot of these cars are just getting beat, man. These guys ride these things hard. 3M 2080 series. Gave it that factory look. Gotta check out this interior. Come here, let me show you. This is amazing. We can do this. You want this done? Ready, 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 ready. Whoa, look at that. Door panels, stitching. Look at that stitching. All beautiful. Now, over here, I did the calipers. Match that all up. Look how clean those wheels are. Wheels all powder coated. Interested in getting your car done? If you're interested in anything like that on the interior, hit me up. I can get this done. This thing's gonna be screaming.